Well, hello, everyone. I'm just starting the series today. I don't know why I'm doing this. Probably just to keep my mind running with this entire AI stuff going on. I don't want to, lose my touch in these things. Feel keeps your mind running, keeps your coding sense flowing, and I just want to make sure I don't lose that touch. So I thought I might as well just start a series solving the Leetcode daily questions, and hopefully let's see where this goes. I don't know what is going to come out of this. I don't expect anything to come out of this, but let's see. Okay, so maximum product of two digits. I've actually solved this question before, so I know what the question is about. I'll just explain the question quickly. It says you're given a positive integer n. You have to return the maximum product of any two digits of n, and you may use the same digit twice if it appears more than once in n. So if you look at the constraints of n is at least 10 and at max 10 power 9, which essentially means that we will have at least two digits in n, and at max we'll have 9 digits in. We'll have at max 9 digits in. So yeah, I feel that's kind of fine. Not much to see there. So pretty straightforward. I feel like what you can do is simply, okay, let's say we have a number, right? We have some number, let's say let's split it up. Okay, a1, a2, a3, a4, all the way up to some ak. So this is our number where all these are digits, right? So it's something like 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is our number. Now we have to find the maximum product of any two digits in this. So essentially we'll just iterate over all these digits, and we will go ahead and store the largest number, and we'll store the largest number and the second largest number, and whatever these two numbers are, we'll just multiply them with each other and we'll get our answer. Even if one of them is 0, even if middle somewhere we have a 0, either that is the largest or second largest, or it'll get eliminated by one of the other digits. So I think that is the one edge case, and that also gets handled. So I don't think there is any edge case as such here, and I know that for sure because I have solved this before. So I can quit the pretext and we can go ahead and solve this. So while n, let's go ahead and say the last digit in this n, right? So always whatever our n value is, let's say our n is this, I want to capture this. So I'll essentially just take a mod with 10, and so if you divide this entire thing with 10, you will get 625 as your quotient and your remainder as 7. So that's how you basically, any base, right? So if your number is in base 10, so like 6257 is in base 10, right? So 6257 in base 10, if you want to get this last digit, you'll just mod it with 10. But now let's say you had something like I don't know, let's say 201, and this is in base 3, and you want to get what is the last digit of this. So you'll simply go ahead and mod this with 3 and you will get that last digit. Yeah, I mean, you get the idea, right? So that's the idea here. So n mod 10, and we'll go ahead and just get rid of that last digit now, so that next iteration we don't again encounter that. And now if current is greater than or equivalent to largest, we'll go ahead and say that the second largest is equal to the largest, whatever the largest number is currently, and the current largest is equal to our current. And else if current is greater than our second largest, we can go ahead and say second largest is equivalent to current, and then once all of this is done, we'll go ahead and say return largest into second largest, and that should be our answer. Hopefully I didn't make any spelling errors, and we can go ahead and submit this and it should be good. Right, thank you everyone, see you tomorrow.